greasing us up. Roger, that's another. Gonna get hung up a little bit. Down 5, down 4, 3, 2, down 1. Off the road right there.
Evil 01, confirm you're going to stay at 7,000 inside of ATA 409 Alpha.
We're clear on the left when we came to the spot. That's why I asked you if it was clear.
Okay, I was making sure. Good power, high pulse 650. Clear right. Clear left. Roger. 100 feet. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on deck. Good power. Roger. Roger.
Today we conducted section cows. So we're flying with 2 aircraft together, and we're landing in confined areas. I think this is important for our unit because, like it's been said before, practice and repetition makes perfection. And the more flights we have, the more missions we do, I think the better off we'll be as a unit, be more prepared for future deployments and future missions. We need skilled co-pilots as well, as because not everyone's going to stay here forever in this unit. So as time goes on, seasoned pilots will leave the Marine Corps. So we also need to train up new co-pilots, get them qualified, get them have the experience and all the same knowledge that the older and more senior pilots do.